Welcome to the next tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to install GrandCMS on Centos 7. GrandCMS is an open source content management system like WordPress, which is used to create your websites. It will act as a backend to create your websites. So in this video, let me show you the installation steps for GrandCMS. Before installing, we need to set up the LAMP server. You can use the following command to set up the LAMP server: yum space install space httpd space mariadb -server space mariadb space php space -y. We need to install all these packages to set up LAMP environment. Now hit enter. Now the packages are installing. Wait for some time. Now the packages are installed. After installing, run the following command to start the MariaDB service: systemctl space start space MariaDB and enable the service systemctl enable MariaDB. Next we need to set root password for MariaDB. So run the following command: mysql _secure installation. Now hit enter. Currently there is no root password for MariaDB, so hit enter. Now press Y to create new root password, and then here type your password and then choose the option Y for all the questions. Now root password is set for MariaDB. Now let's log into MariaDB database. Type the command mysql space -u space root space -p. Now hit enter. Now here type the root password we have created in the previous step, and then here run the following command to create the database and database user for GrandCMS. Now type this command to create the database called GrandCMS_db. Now the database is created. Next run the following command to create the database user. Now create the user in the name of GrandCMS_user. The user has the password 123. Now type command like this and then hit enter, and then run this command. This command will grant all permissions for the user to this database. Now hit enter. Now flush the privileges. And then exit from MariaDB database. Type exit and hit enter. Next we need to download the package for GrandCMS. So let's move to the document root of Apache. The default document root is /var/www/html. So move to the directory. Now hit enter. Now from here run the following command to download the package for GrandCMS. Now run this command. You can use this command to download the package, or else you can visit GrandCMS official website. Now hit enter. Now the download is started. Wait for some time. Now it's completed. Here you can see we have a zip file in your document root. You can extract the package using unzip command. Now type unzip space package name and hit enter. Now it's extracted. After extracting, you can see a directory called upload. You can remove rest of this file. Now run the following command to rename the directory: me space upload space GrandCMS. Now it's renamed. Next, set the ownership for the directory. Type the command chown space -R space Apache Apache space the directory path /var /www/html/grandcms. Now hit enter. Next, run the following command to change the permission for the directory: chmod space -R space 775 space the same directory path, and then hit enter. Next, we need to set the miscellaneous context for the same directory. For that, run the command chown space -RT space the context, which is httpd underscore sys underscore content underscore rw underscore t, and then space the directory path where you want to set for context. Now hit enter. Next, we need to create virtual host entry. For that, we need to create the new configuration file for Apache. Now type the command vim space /etc/httpd/conf.t/ let's create a configuration file called grandcms.conf. So I will type grandcms.conf. Now hit enter, and then here create the entry as follows. Now create entry like this, and then save the file. Now restart the Apache service. systemctl space restart space httpd. Now everything is set. Next, we can open a browser and then call the installation installed for GrandCMS by typing your IP address. Now open a browser. Now here type your IP address. Now we can see the installation result for GrandCMS. Now click continue. Here you can see we have missing some PHP extensions, so we need to install this. Open your terminal. Now type this command to install those PHP extensions. These are the extensions we need to install. Now hit enter. Now it's installing. Wait for some time. Now the packages are installed. Next, move to the GrandCMS directory. From here, run this command to rename this file, and then rename this file also. Now restart the Apache service. systemctl restart httpd, and then open a browser. Here you can see this one is also missing. You just rename this file. Now click reload. Now you can see the errors are cleared. Now click continue, and then Here you can configure your database. Now here, fill this informations, database username and password and database name, and then admin username and password and email. Now click continue. Now GrandCMS is installed. Now click here. Now type your username and password to login. Now click login. Here you can able to access the admin control panel for GrandCMS. After installing the GrandCMS, you can receive a warning message. This is nothing but we need to remove the install directory. Open your terminal. Here you can see a directory called install. Now remove this rm space -rf space install. Now click reload. Now you can see, now the warning is cleared. Now that's all about the installation of GrandCMS. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.